Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn Company. It's Monday, November 28th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Looked like positive trend once again in the soybeans after closing up 51 cents higher last week. You were able to extend that, closing 10 cents higher. You were 16 cents higher at one point, faded, trading down a couple cents lower, and then able to come back into the close here. So it looks like a little bit of managed money. We'll get this later in the day, what managed money decided to do. They've been aggressive buyers in this market, and so I do think that maybe that had a little bit to do with it, but overall, you're seeing this separation from soybeans from both corn and wheat. Corn closing at 3/4 cent lower on the day, and then the wheat market mixed with Minneapolis higher, but Kansas City and Chicago both weaker. So you see that separation here, and you need to ask yourself fundamentally, what backing does soybeans have? They have not had a sales announcement in over a week here. They had very good inspections this week, so we know that demand has been strong. But we continue to urge the fact that this demand needs to continue to be strong to stay pace with how we are moving forward in these S&Ds. We have a big carryout level and we have high demand already built into this market. So we haven't got that sales announcement. The market's going to be itching for one of those pretty soon to see that we keep on pace, and then looking at later in what our export sales come for the week there. Corn, like I said, down 3/4 cent. Wheat mixed there. Meat market started slightly higher, about 25 cents higher, and then just couldn't keep it together. Live cattle down just over a buck. Feeders down 80 cents. Lean hogs down as well. And then those outside markets, crude market a little bit higher, but both US dollar and stocks a little bit lower, which could have been really the driving force in the cattle market not being able to keep it together. We'll have to see later on in the week where cash trend comes from. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching here is demand. That's going to have to stay strong. We're going to have to see that in the soybean market, and then see you're up against some key resistance levels on the technical side of things to soybeans to see if they're able to break through it or not, and see if they continue to the next leg higher. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.